breakfast thing. A meal with OJ is for $10. Let me see. $10
Not worth it.
for one meal for a little sandwich. Dito please. Dentist. Julian. Hindi nila expected. What is this again?
Shipyard.
Oh, they are scrapping. Ship. Colin.
Yep.
Right there.
Right now they're not too bad.
So yun nandito na ako. Kami sa bahay nila. At Sol at ako yung dito. Doon. To si Steve. Siya daw mag-readwalk sa likuran. Let's start na. Here's my readwalk. Let's see first if Steve gets it. Be careful. Zip your jacket up so it won't be cold.
Push it down. Now tilt it back. Now push.
Push. Okay. Uwi na kami.
Oh, did you give Auntie the dog?
You got the door
The
key.
dog she gave me last night?
Yeah. Ayun na. Ang ganda na nangyari natin sa sabay dyan.
And that'll be it.
I want enchilada platter, chicken.
And one enchilada platter chicken.
No. Taco time, enchilada platter, chicken. The cheese looks weird. Picture. But this is after we put the stuff together already. I will put. Grabe ang daming bulaklak na naman ng yellow plums, oh. At saka yung red plums or purple plums na unang namulaklak. Kaya medyo pa ano na ito, kasagsagan ng bulaklak. Ay, yan dami. Dami na namang plums. Ito ang mga dinner. Kahit may hotdog, may gulay naman. Tapos ito rice noodles. Ayan guys, balance. At saka may greens. Napa cabbage and lettuce greens. Ayun. Anti-cancer yan mga guys. Kaya let's eat!
Just the apple and need some space.
Good job. What's next?
Hey.
Why is the A so tiny? Okay, it's fine.
Really, again? Yeah.
Good job. Baby rabbits. Baby bunbuns. They're gray. Oh my gosh. Are they talking to each other? Yeah, they're doing chica. Kuchu. What are you doing? What are they doing?
Oh, I think they're cleaning something out their mouth.
Is it?
I don't know. Scratching.
Oh,
Yeah.
my
The
first tulips.
electrician's gonna come by here.
Okay, more tulips. I need to clean this bed. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ayan guys, we are going to do yard work. Naman muna. We have more patches in the front yard. And so I bought this earlier from Walmart. And then sprinkle lang natin sa ano. And more. Sprinkle lang natin dyan sa yard. And looks like I need to cut the grass na naman. Pero Miss Smiles, our agent, real estate agent, she said she have some kids coming to help us cut the yard. Those kids need to put in community service, she said, something like that, I don't know. And ayan lang, I will do this first and I will try cutting our grass too. So ganito pala yung tsura. Ay, kaho. Sprinkle lang. Ang ingay ng kapit tayo. Nagmumotor. Kita niyo ba? So this morning lang, ayan, sinira na nila yung parang bungsod. Maliit na parang ano. Tulad nito. Ayan yan. Yung tsura niya. Ayan. Ayan. So dito ako mag-i-sprinkle. Dito, sinira na rin yan. Ito, right here too. Still enjoy yan na broke it down. So, ayan, sprinkle lang ako dito sa yard. Ganyan. Kasi, pag galing sila, nagdidig sila galing underground eh. Tapos pinupush nila yung lupa. And dito. Pag na-taste nila yan, aalis sila. Ayaw nila yung taste. I'm hearing the neighbors' rooster crowing.